unemployed. Now, what is educated unemployment in urban areas? In case of urban areas, educated unemployment has become a common phenomena. Yes, it is a very common problem nowadays. We can see in our country that literacy rate has been increased, approximate 74, all on an average 74 or 75 people are literate in our country, but only few people are getting jobs, rest are sitting idle or unemployed. Many youth with matriculation, graduation and post graduation degrees are not able to find job. Yes, people are having higher degrees of education, but still they are not either they are not getting the job as per their qualification, or they are sitting idle, means they do not have any kind of job. A study showed that unemployment of graduate and postgraduate has increased faster than among matriculates. Means those who are matriculates or means they are having jobs, but those who are having graduate and postgraduate degrees, they are sitting idle or unemployed. This is the survey, this is the report based on survey made by the government agencies. A paradoxical manpower situation is witnessed as surplus of manpower in certain categories coexist with shortage of manpower in others. Paradoxical means contradiction. Paradoxical manpower situation means this is a contradiction in that in some areas or some categories there is a surplus of manpower, means again we can say that we have a requirement of 5 people, but the 8 people are working over there. So, this is the surplus of manpower in some categories coexist with shortage of manpower in others, or in somewhere where the extra people are required, but those sectors are facing with the lacking of people, okay, manpower. So, this is the contradiction situation, and why this contradiction situation is observed or noticed? Because of the technical skill formation. The people are having qualification of graduation and post graduation, but they are lacking in trainings, they are lacking in skills. That is why having good qualification or having higher degrees, but still they don't have any professional qualification or degrees, or they are not trained well. That is why they are unable to find jobs, and some sectors facing with the lacking of manpower, and some sectors are having surplus manpower. This is a contradiction noticed in different sectors of economy. Now, next there is unemployment among technically qualified person on one hand, while there is a dearth of technical skills required for economic growth. The same point is here, the unemployment among technically qualified. Those who are technically qualified means whatever the technical skill they have learned, as per their technical qualification, there is number of institutions are not there where they could find jobs. While there is a dearth of technical skills, on the other hand, some different technical skills are required for the economic growth, but according to that technical skill requirement, neither our education system is updated, nor such institutions are maintained. So, again there is a contradiction in this way, and these are the basic reason of this is the basic reason of educated unemployment in urban areas. Now, what are the effects or the implications or the impact of unemployment? Now, so unemployment basically it leads to a depressed economy. Depressed economy means if number of people in a particular country will be unemployed, so definitely it would be a big burden on national economy. So, economy already will be a depressed economy. Next, turns asset into liability. Asset means the human resource, the population which could be productive. Due to unemployment, that productive population turns or converted into a liability. Liability means a responsibility or a burden. Next, withdrawal from the school system. Yes, the people, those who are unemployed, they are unable to send their children to school, and mostly the children drop out from the schools. So that this is again further again it is maintaining a vicious cycle. Okay. Next, health deteriorates and standard of living goes down. Due to unemployment, in absence of a regular source of income, people are unable to get proper diet, balanced diet, that affect their health, and if their health deteriorates, so definitely they are unable to work hard, as well as their standard of living also goes down. Okay. Next, creates feeling of hopelessness, anger and frustration among the unemployed youth. If people means being qualified, having number of degrees, still when people are unable to find jobs, so definitely it creates the hopelessness among them, means they get disappointed, frustration created. Okay. They sometimes